What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here, and honestly, I'm just wanting to film this because I think it'd be fun. This is what I'm doing today. I have a lot of issues with storage, and I like to be an organized person, or at least I like to think that I'm an organized person, but I'm really not. If you've noticed my past two cleaning videos, you can see that my baseball corner gets really dirty a lot. And so let's fix that. So I just cleaned it. This is what it looks like right now. Seems fine. Excuse me. Seems fine. But I think it's just hard to maintain. And plus, like this bag right here, this is just like blitz balls and wiffle balls. And so I want to fix this. So I got this box right here. I emptied it out and I put all the trash over there. And I figured it'd be big enough, there's a hole in it, but I have duct tape and scissors. And we're gonna try to empty out these buckets because they're just Legos. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see if all the Legos will fit in that box or what's up. But I wanna try it and just to get a little more storage. So let's do it. I hope I put some like sick music over this, or maybe just like some Okay, so now we have the box finished, which is pretty nice. I just really plugged up the hole, that was pretty much it. But now we're gonna start and trying to pour all these Legos in here. There's a lot of them, so I don't know if they'll fit or not, but let's find out. So I got all the buckets out, but as you can see, two of these are silver and two of these are brown. You can see this one is one of the ones that I already tried to do. This is a white, blue, purple, and pink bucket. I tried to put it in there, but as you can see, it's already almost filled up all the way, so I definitely can already see a lot of white colors starting to appear in these buckets. All of these are going to be random, but I think I'm going to take two of these brown buckets and swap them out with silver buckets to make it a little bit more pattern, like silver, brown, silver, and then just make it a brown, or I might use one of these silver buckets to so only 3 of the bins fit into the box. But honestly, that might be enough. I don't know if I have another bin I can check. I have, oh, sorry, over here. Over here, I have a couple more boxes. But honestly, I feel like maybe I shouldn't do all 4 and just keep 3 of them. I don't really have a need for all 4 as of right now. So I think I'm just gonna keep the 3 of them and see where we go from here. If I need to adjust it, then I need to adjust it. And that's pretty much about it. But let's start getting into the sorting process and also putting this bad boy up. Okay, we have now set everything up clearly. I have all 4 buckets empty. I decided again not to empty the last one. So that one I just put in the corner. I got all the junk that was on the bottom and I put it in its respective places. So now I'm gonna figure out what I want to put where and to see if it really should go there or what I should do and what I should adjust. So let's figure that out. Okay guys, here's what I've decided. One of the buckets will be all my protective gear for like Evo Shield or the new Bruce Bolt stuff that I just got for like elbow, shin, my hand guard, or not my hand guard, my sliding mitt, hopefully a hand guard one day, we'll see about that. And then the next bucket will be all my warm-up gear, so like my J-bands and all my plyo balls and medicine balls. The third one, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. I'm thinking of putting my gloves in there or maybe my training gear in there, just because I don't use it as much and maybe I don't want to have it out as much or in the way. And then what I figured I'm gonna do, next video, I'm gonna clean my closet and make it well organized again. So stay tuned for that and see that, and hopefully if it is already out or if I already have it in planning, it'll be up in the top right hand corner with that little tag. Not sure yet if I'm gonna have that, but let's get to work on putting things in the right bins and where they should be. Okay, so I could only fit 2. I thought a good thing I didn't do all 4 because I only needed 2. I'm glad I have the extra one just in case I do want to put anything in there, but I really do think I need to clean my closet and see what I got going on there, just to see what I can store in there. But as of right now, I only got 2 buckets filled, which is really all I wanted, and it really didn't open up a lot of space, but I still think that's just because there's so much junk in there that I need to do like a real deep cleaning. But let's see what we got. Okay, as we can see in this first bucket, we got the classic blue bag with all of my usual outside bullpen stuff. I got the weighted balls for the accuracy bullpen, J-bands to warm up, and the classic blue bag just so I have all my normal warm-up stuff. This is all the stuff that was kind of just backup. I got this donut ring right here. I don't know where I got that. I don't think I've ever used it, but I have it just in case anybody wants it to warm up. Same thing with this thing. Never really used it, but it was just laying out, so I figured I'd pick it up. So hopefully I can give it to somebody, or I can have it just to maybe warm up with it, maybe use it in the future, and hopefully it'll better me. And then all of this is just extra plyo balls that I have that I don't really use, but I have them just in case. I think it's still like 2 through, I want to say 15, 14. I still have a ton of balls in there just in case when I get stronger, I have them to be able to go even higher. And that is the first bucket of warm-ups. This second box right here is my awesome, what's it called? Protective gear, I guess you could say, or that's what I'm gonna call it. This is my Evo Shield, or not Evo Shield, sorry, Bruce Bolt yellow stuff that I got for the upcoming season. Oh, hold on. Sorry, y'all, I had to sneeze. But yeah, I got all this stuff in there. And then in here, I got all my Evo Shield stuff, my sliding mitt, and then my elbow guard and my leg guard, which is still dirty from last night's game. Check out that video if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably need to take this stuff out of the bag, but for right now, I'm not going to. Just leave it in there. And yeah, this is our free box right here. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but as soon as I clean out my closet and see what I need to have space for, I have this bad boy, and everything looks so much better, and I have so much more space to do what I need to do. So that was very good. So that's me cleaning out my bins and making a little bit more space on my baseball corner. I think this will be part 1, so stay tuned for part 2. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully there's a video that YouTube thinks y'all will like at the end here, and there's one suggested by me personally. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. But thank y'all for watching, and always remember, dreamers are better together. So let's go chase our dreams.